Hi, my name is Bill Wireman. I am the service training specialist here at Logan Services, and today we're going to answer your questions about issues with heat pumps. Heat pumps can stop cooling for a variety of reasons. Some of the easiest ones to kind of take a look at first is the air filter clean? Does it need to be changed? Another one is, does the unit have power? Checking the breaker in the breaker panel in your home, or checking the disconnect out by the outdoor unit to see if one of these little red lights is lit up. Will tell you that one of the fuses behind there has blown. Some of the other quick checks is some of them are equipped with drain safety, so you can actually check and make sure, is there water in the trap? Is there water going out to the drain inside the home? If you have tried all the basic troubleshooting steps that we went over in this video, after that, it's time to call a professional service technician to come out and evaluate your system. So give us a call at Logan Services so that we can help take care of you.